Looking for a powerful 1440p gaming PC build that won't break the bank? Let's dive in. This setup is designed to deliver high FPS in the top 10 demanding games at ultra settings. With a solid GPU like the RTX 4060 Ti and a fast Ryzen 5 7600X, you'll experience smooth gameplay and stunning visuals. The 16GB of DDR5 RAM ensures quick load times, while a 1TB NVMe SSD provides ample storage for all your games. Plus, with DLSS and FSR support, you can squeeze out extra frames without sacrificing quality. This build is not just about performance, it's future-proof, ready to tackle whatever the gaming world throws at you. If you're on a tighter budget, I can suggest some alternatives that still pack a punch. Get ready to game at 1440p like never before.